Have you ever faced a situation where your checkbox just doesn't look right after changing its background color? It's frustrating, isn't it? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Bootstrap 4 checkboxes and how to fix it. I totally get it. You want your checkbox to look perfect, but when you change the background color, the check icon resizes unexpectedly. You're not alone in this. Many developers encounter this issue, and it can be quite annoying. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "When I change the background of my checkbox, why does the size of the check icon resize too?" They provided some code, and it clearly shows the problem. Let's take a closer look. So what's happening here? When you change the background color of the checkbox, it can inadvertently affect the size of the check icon due to CSS properties. Understanding how Bootstrap handles these elements is key to resolving the issue. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to ensure your checkboxes always look just the way you want them. To prevent the checkbox icon from resizing when changing the background color, the user should ensure that the dimensions of the custom control indicator remain fixed. This can be done by explicitly setting the height and width properties. Next, the user should check the CSS for the checked state of the checkbox. The background color change should not affect the size of the indicator. They can achieve this by ensuring the background property is set without altering the dimensions. Additionally, the user should verify that the border radius property is not causing any unexpected resizing. Keeping it consistent with the dimensions will help maintain the icon's size. Finally, the user can test the changes by refreshing the page and checking the checkbox. The icon should now maintain its size regardless of the background color. Fun fact, did you know that the first checkbox was created in the 1980s? It's amazing how far we've come in web design since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a simple change in your CSS. Instead of using background for the checkbox indicator, use background color. This small adjustment can help maintain the size of the check icon when the background color changes. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a slight modification to the CSS. They recommend using background color instead of background for the checked state of the checkbox. This change helps maintain the size of the check icon while allowing you to customize the background color. Here's the tip I promised. Always define the size of your custom checkbox elements in your CSS. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. Your checkbox should now maintain its size regardless of the background color. Remember, a little CSS tweaking goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more Bootstrap challenges.